My name is Janelle Toy, and today I'm going to walk you through the redecoration of my room. If you're new here, I make content about lifestyle, I do vlogs, all that. But in today's lovely video, we are doing our rooms. So when I say our, I mean mine and my older sisters. I have two older sisters, but I redid Gianna's room. And it was an experience. That's cool. But basically, the plan for these rooms was to split them up because we had two rooms, one really large room and another kind of smaller room, and we shared two rooms, which obviously, like you're thinking, that really doesn't make sense. Just have your own rooms, which is exactly what I thought. This will make more sense with the photos that will go in right here.
I realize now that this kind of needs more of an explanation. So here is a picture of the smaller room from one angle, and as you can see here, here's another angle. The door that's on the right leads into the larger room, which is shown here, and the door that's open leads into the smaller room that was just shown. And here's just another picture of the larger room. The door that's open in this photo leads outside, not outside, but it leads into the hallway, which leads downstairs and also into my other sister's room.
Here are the photos of the before. Obviously, we were in the process of thinking of moving things around, so like some of the things were very messy, but this is basically what the rooms look like. Yeah, so that was the before, obviously not the cutest. However, things that limited us in this video or in this decoration process was we couldn't paint the walls, and there's still this beige color that you see. It's not the worst. And then there's like a mauve-ish color that I also had to work with. Those are kind of our requirements. We weren't allowed to paint. We're not allowed to nail things to the wall. We could use like thumbtacks and like the existing nails on the wall. I did this transformation under a $200 budget, and so I had to thrift a lot of items, which is really good, better for me, better for the environment. It's great. And then we also just went to like Target to grab some stuff that we couldn't find at the thrift store. So I created a floor plan or a 3D rendition or a 3D render of what I wanted the rooms to look like, and I used this program called Room Styler. It was really helpful. So if you're ever like redesigning a room, use that, I guess. And so at the end of the day, this was my plan for the rooms.
Starting off in Gianna's room, I'm going to make sure that I style the bay window area to be a little more comfortable than it is right now. I'm going to put a queen bed in there, make sure to anchor that with a rug, and then also give her a sitting area with a chair, a side table, an ottoman, and a lamp for good lighting if she wants to read there. I'm also going to make sure that her desk shelves are nicely organized and that she has a mirror in her room as well. And then also there's going to be a dresser that is a little taller and a stool next to that. Moving on to my room, on the architectural platform, I'm going to put a storage area as well as a piano and also a sitting area for myself. On the south wall, I'm going to have a wire organizer, and then on the right, I'm going to have my desk, my bed, and then I'm going to put a rug underneath my bed.
Now getting into the actual decorating. We did film a couple time lapses, a bit of footage from the actual day of moving, but I think a lot of the process was earlier, and so we didn't have that much footage, but what we did have, I'll insert here. Everything just went by really, really fast. It was a lot of work, but I had the help of my sister and my parents to help. But I did have a lot of fun decorating, picking out all of the decorations and all the decor. That was definitely, in my opinion, one of the most fun parts, other than like actually mapping out where the pieces of furniture would go. I felt like in this experience I had a lot of creative liberties, which is something I never really experienced a lot before, and I was definitely fortunate enough to have the opportunity to do this, and to have like the resources to do it, and to have the help that I did. So I'm very grateful that I've been able to do this. Obviously still not perfect, but I really do love how things turned out. And so here is the before. Really dark, dreary, it really didn't feel like personal in any way. Here is the after of the rooms. Thank you for following along. There will be more updates. It's currently like 6 days before Christmas, and I did the transformation in the end of September. So it's definitely been a while, and a lot of changes have occurred. I put Christmas decorations up for one. There's that. But yeah, I think this is going up around Christmas. So Merry Christmas. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for sticking around and for watching this process, and just for supporting me. I do appreciate it a lot. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more content, more of me. Well, I don't know why you'd want to do that, but I enjoy making these videos and I hope you enjoy watching them. You are truly a star, whether you made it to the end of this video or not. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!